What's up, guys? It's your boy back again with another video, guys. Today I'm gonna show them a Dr. Bird. Yes, guys, and note this, guys. My girl is not feeling well, so I can't get to prank her as I want to. So I can't get to do the challenges. So guess what, guys? I'm just going to do an everyday vlog. You get me? Until she feel better. We just drop a prank on her. You get me, guys? Or we just do a challenge. But right now, guys. Yeah, but just showing me Dr. Bird. A bird come and build a nest right here above my head here, guys. Yeah, build a nest. And my about two eggs in it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show him. Yeah, okay. So big up to everybody. Subscribe to my channel already. Thank you for all the support, guys. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get my video them every time you get see I drop a video, guys. And remember to leave a comment on the video, guys. And remember to drop a like as a comment platform, guys. Yeah, so today I'm gonna show them a Dr. Bird. Yeah, let's get right.
Yo, what's up? Have a great day. As you can see, guys, not many people here are subscribed to the channel, so I really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel right now with your post notification bell on.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Alright, guys, so still Dr. Bird here. Try going close as I can.
Second, I'm freaking it out.